Yes, yo, what's up? Yeah, come on in, Joe Fox at Easy, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a Drake type beat, Drake or Meek Mill type beat. Yeah, so it's modern trap beat from variation of sounds, Yeah, so variation of sounds and drum sequencing, Yeah, so today I just prepare this tutorial just to show you how easier you can make it. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and comment if there is anything you want to know or you want to ask it or to support to approve, yeah, so opinion, yeah, so without lose much time, and let's go and show you one thing after one thing. So let's go. Yes, uh, the BPM of this project is 1 and 50. Yeah, so I just play by my chord progression by using a FL key, you know. This is stock plugin. Yeah, but I just play my chord here, in C minor scale. So it sounds like this one. So in this I just add the halftime, yeah, yeah, and then in the mix here I just uh, add my mix to the 71%, yeah, so also I just equalize it, I call it progression. So that is how it sounds. So yeah, so from apart from that I just start by playing my melody. So the melody, I just play this melody, just try to make some somehow complex but sound good. So it sounds like this one. Yeah, and in my melody here I just add delay, reverb, and equalizer here. Just cut some highs and lows, and also add this fluid panomatic to pan that notes, Yeah, this is concert piano. Also it is based from FL key. After that I just duplicate that concert piano and I play another melody. And another melody sound like this one. Simple. So after that, in this melody I just add also fluid panomatic here, pan sound, equalize. I just that was highs and lows, but in different curve as I used in the first melody. Also I added some fluid delay and reverbs. Yeah. So apart from that, I just play this is my choir, or this is stock also, and I just play as I play in my chord progression. So I just like the way how it sounds, so that is why I use it in this beat, so it add more vibe. So here, yeah, so in this one, why I just add a equalizer here and a fuzzy reverb, for widening of the square sound. So that is that. So after that I just go to my, just play log drum here. So in log drum I just use this init here, just put into 0%, attack here to 50%, decay to 30%, then here sustain to 50 or 49, then time here just for 44. So I just use these settings because I just need this sound, you know, the sound of log drum. It sounds different, but to me is the one which I like to hear. So that is why I just use that setting. So you can use another settings according to what you need to hear, you know, what you need to add to your beat to give vibe. So to me, I go with this one. Yeah, simple like this one. So on this one, just let's use no. Okay, for that let's jump to another. This is log drum also. So I just duplicate it and play like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. This is how I use it. So after that, I just play my 808, you know. Yeah, so sound good like this one, simple, and I play it simple. Yeah, on this one I just side chain it to kick. Yeah, kick. Yes, I just side chain it to kick. Yeah, as you know, you hear here. So this is good. Yeah. So after that, I just in a let's go this. I just side chain by using a frequency limiter, and just use these settings in compression. So for that, let's go to drums. So let's start with the first one, this one. It is cinematic sound. On this one, I just add some reverb here. Also I just duplicate it to this one, clap. Yeah, after that I add the hi-hat, this one. So sound like this one. Yeah, so it is in hi-hat. Let's put here with panomatric. I just use this plugin. It is so sound, but to me it sounds good because okay, let's padding and then increase some speed here, you know. Yeah. This is why I like to hear the sound by using this fluid panomatric. After doing such in hi-hat, let's go to quick. Yeah, so simple like this one. This is my kick, and after that, let's go to this one. Open hi-hat. Yeah, after that, I think my things are over. So in drum bass, yeah, my drum bass here, I just use this limiter. They just add this gain here up to 1.5 dB. No, yeah, 4.8 gain, you know. Yeah, so this is what I use here. So after that, I just use a compressor here, and just use the settings as you see here. So let's hear my drums when sound itself. This. So sound like this one. Yeah. So let's add some edge to it to it sound good. If I add it sound good like this one. Yeah. So let's hear this beat from the start. You know. Yeah. Let's hear from the start. So I just create my intro here, as you hear. So this one is choir, log drum, and even the first melody, second melody of the concert piano, and also I come here to second part. I just add this my anyway. So let's hear. Fox. Yeah, so in my verse, at the verse, so I just remove this choir, remove this second melody of concert piano, first melody of the concert piano, and this log drum. So I just need here someone to lap, yeah, and when it comes here, he can drop a hook or something. So it was my idea. So right here. The log drum, I just press the melody so it comes here. I just to get something new in my beat, so sound good like this one. Yeah, so this is my beat, and just when Drake hears kind of flow, some Meek Mill, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, and this beat I'll be dropped in my channel, so keep connected with me. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.